Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this March the 28th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday out there. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the satellite loop across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at the watches warning advisories, also the weather radar, also the storm prediction center outlooks for today and tomorrow, Wednesday, and day 4. That would be Thursday. Friday. Excuse me. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. Thank you for everybody that supports my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Excuse me. Like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. Alrighty. In today's video, let's go ahead and hop on into the forecast here now. We got the southern jet kicking up across the southern United States, extending through Mexico, through Texas, and also over here in the Carolinas. Also, we have some shower activity across southern Georgia and also northern Florida that will continue to move off to the off to the east. Some of this activity up here could move into the area later on today and could produce some light showers and a few sprinkles tonight. Maybe a rumble of thunder too cannot be ruled out across the Carolinas and Georgia. Also, we see this big swirling system over here off the west coast. That's what's going to move inland. It's going to bring some powerful winds and also some very stormy conditions over here in the southern plains and over here toward the Ohio Valley. Going to bring some strong thunderstorms over here in the central portions and over toward the Ohio Valley and portions of the south coming up toward day 4. That would be around Wednesday and Thursday. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the next graphic. This is the watches and warnings and advisories. We have a false advisories over a portion of Virginia. We got a special marine warning over the coastal waters there of Florida. Also, we have some wind advisories over southern Texas. Also, fire weather statements, red flag warnings, excuse me, over portions of Colorado and also New Mexico. Also, some high wind warnings over New Mexico as well. Also, the more active weather is over here in the west, over here in California, portions of Nevada, portions of Arizona, also Utah and Nevada, and portions of Oregon. And also a little bit up here in Washington State with some winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings. Also wind advisories also in effect with a few flooding issues also in portions of California as well. Alright, let's move on to the radar view and you'll see a clearer picture of this here. We got showers, a few snow showers over the northeastern United States around Maine all the way back into Maryland. Also portions of New York State over to West Virginia, East Kentucky, and western North Carolina. Also, we have shower and thunderstorms off from the Gulf of Mexico through a portion of Alabama, Georgia, and into the coastal waters of the Carolinas. And there's that what you seen the winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings over here in California and Oregon and Washington State, Nevada. That's because that system coming in offshore that you've seen on the satellite loop, that will continue to move in and affect you guys over here. Pretty much the remainder of the United States, the east of the Rockies there, pretty quiet. Most of Texas is quiet over toward a portion of Iowa and also North and South Dakota. Y'all quiet. Got a little bit of snow flying over here in Minnesota as well. So might see a few inches of snow there in your vicinity. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Let's take a look at categorize. We got marginal risk extending from a portion of southern Alabama through the Panhandle of Florida and also in North Florida and southern Georgia. General thunderstorms in the PD region of South Carolina maybe, and also down in the low country all the way back into central and southern Texas. The marginal risks include Jacksonville, Florida, Mobile, Alabama, Tallahassee, Florida, Albany, Georgia, and Dalton, Alabama. And this is mainly going to be a wind and hail event. You see 5% on both of them, and if you're in the 5%, this includes Jacksonville, Florida, Tallahassee, Florida, Albany, Georgia, Dalton, Alabama, Pensacola, Florida. Alright, let's swing on over to day 2 and take a look at day 2 outlook. We do not have nothing much going on there. See just general thunderstorms over portions of New York, southern Florida, also over here in Nevada and Utah, and also over here in California. So nothing much going on day 2. Alright, let's swing on over into day 3. As you can see, we got a few pockets of marginal risk over Nebraska there, also over Oklahoma and Texas. General thunderstorms elsewhere through Texas, all the way into a portion of Arkansas, and all the way up to Illinois, southern Minnesota, and also Wisconsin, and also back over into Iowa. Also, we have some general thunderstorms over northwest Pennsylvania. Arizona, excuse me, and also back over into Colorado, and also over here in southwest California. All right, going over to day 4. This is the more active weather here. Was going to happen on Thursday. Friday. Friday. Alrighty. See, the Storm Prediction Center still holding that slight risk in the 15%. Still got the enhanced risk in the 30%. I would not be surprised to see a moderate risk or maybe a low end high risk in portion of this region coming up in later forecasts. So I thought I'd just mention that as well. We got 15%. This includes the areas like Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Nashville, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, and Cincinnati, Ohio. 30% risk is Memphis, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, Cedar Rapids, Iowa. That is in the 30%. Alrighty. So if you're in the outlook area here, you need to get yourself prepared for a severe weather outbreak later this week. So just giving y'all a heads up. If anybody in that area that knows anybody that watches my forecast, stay tuned to me. Stay tuned to any other YouTuber out there like Ryan Hall, Weatherman Plus, Mitch West Weather, David Schlothauser Weather, Powell Ponder on Weather, my weather forecast channel, the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, and many others out there as well. Alrighty, well, consider subscribing to my channel. Love to have you, and stay safe and well, and we will catch you back in the next video. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.